Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me.
Now, the news is Indus Water Treaty on hold, green panels not for another hydropower project on Chenab. Think of the Chenab River as a shared water system between India and Pakistan. Now, what exactly is the news? See, India has temporarily kept the Indus Water Treaty IWT on hold. At the same time, India has allowed, which is given a green signal to another hydropower project on Chenab River called Dulhasti Stage 2 in Jammu and Kashmir. I'll write down the name for you. Dulhasti Stage 2 in Jammu and Kashmir. Now, what is this project? Dulhasti Stage 2 is a 260 megawatt hydroelectric project. It will use water from the Marusudar river which flows into the Chenab. It is a run of the water project, meaning it does not store large amount of water. It uses flowing water to generate electricity. Now, why is this whole thing important? See, the Indus Water Treaty 1960 decided how rivers are shared. Pakistan gets Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. India gets Ravi, Beas and Satluj. After a terror attack in April 2025, Pahalgam, India put the treaty in abeyance, which is paused. Because of this pause, India is speeding up hydropower projects in the Indus basin. What about the environment? See, experts warn that nearby projects like Palakdul may change river flow, aquatic life, river shape. So the government has asked for a river conservation strategy, which is maintain natural water flow, protect fish and river biodiversity, prevent river damage. And people affected are about 60 hectares of land will be paused. Private land from 62 families will be acquired. A public hearing was already held. So in short, India is using its river more actively for electricity, but with environmental checks, while the treaty with Pakistan is temporarily paused. Now let us understand some facts. The project will be developed by NHPC Limited at an estimated cost of 277.45 crore. The 390 megawatt Dulhasti Stage 1 is a run-of-the-river scheme and was commissioned in 2007 by NHPC Limited. Dulhasti 2 will be utilized in the existing dam reservoir power intake in the Stage 1 project and draw water from the Marusudar River, a tributary of Chenab, via the Palakdua project. Now, while giving its note, the panel noted that the water of the Chenab basin is shared between India and Pakistan in accordance with the provision of the Indus Valley Treaty 1960, Indus Waters Treaty, and the parameters of the project were planned in accordance with the treaty. However, the Indus Waters Treaty stands suspended, effective from 23 April 2025. Let us talk about the UPSC relevances of this topic and why this is important for civil services examination. So, it is highly important for GS paper 2, which is international relations. It is highly important for GS paper 3, which is environment and infrastructure. Again, GS paper 3 for internal security, and for essay, it adds a value, and mains value addition is also very important in this news.
And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.